Hi, Stephen at Double Glazing Parts and Spares. Another video regarding the Mila ProSecure door hinge. I've been asked to show how to adjust it left and right. This is when your roller cams or your hooks are too far away from the keep and it's just not locking properly. So first of all, what you want to do is open up your door and take out the fixing screw that holds the plate in place. So now you've done that, what you want to get is like a little scraper and just put that into the back of the hinge cover and pop it open. This now exposes the screws and the adjustments. So these dome head ones are just actually little fixing plug screws. They don't actually adjust. So before you start adjusting the door, what you want to do is where it says unlock and lock, is put your 4mm Allen key where it's meant to go. Oh, sorry, this one here. And turn it anti-clockwise to unlock it. Usually only one turn, but I'll do two. And then as you see, unlock and lock, anti-clockwise and clockwise. And now you go over to the opposite side where you've got your adjustment with plus and minus. So if you look at the actual hinge move as I do this, you can see the door spreading, or you can pull the hinge in closer. You get a good amount of adjustment with these hinges, so you get 5 or 6 mil in them. You see that spreading further apart and how close you can pull it in as well. And then all you do is get your adjustment there and then put your Allen key back in here to lock, and then you're turning clockwise this time until it's nice and stiff. Close your cap, open up your door, put in the securing screw, and that's the adjustment for that hinge. Thanks very much.